video, I will change my payout method on the Google AdSense due to I removed the previous bank account because it's highly maintenance fee. So I need to reserve money 5,000 dirham in order to not charge maintenance fee 105 dirham. So I decided to change my payout method so that I will remove my previous bank, which is Commercial Bank of Dubai. So I will put now my Emirates NBD. Okay guys, let's go to Google AdSense. So we need to log in the Google AdSense. So we need to we need to sign in at the Google we need to sign in at the AdSense. So guys, now I'm already in the Google AdSense. So we will click the top button. Yes. So guys, still loading. So this is 522, my previous payout. This was my previous payout that I received, I think last November. Okay. And this is my money balance remaining, which is 172.23 pills. Okay. So guys, I will go to the payment and pool. Okay. So just click this one, payment account. So you need to click from here and click the YouTube. Alright. Then from here, as I mentioned earlier that I already changed Emirates NBD Bank, but before my payout method was Commercial Bank of Dubai. So I will click the manage payout method. Okay. So as you can see guys, this is my previous payout method, payout account bank, which is Commercial Bank of Dubai, and now I changed to Emirates NBD Bank. So if you want to add more payment, you can click the add payment method. It's like that. You need to enter your bank account name, IBAN number, and SWIFT BIC code. Guys, the SWIFT BIC code you can check in the Google, which is which bank your bank account. So the Google will provide the SWIFT BIC code. Okay. So if you add the bank account, then you will sit as a primary method. Then you can sit. Just click this one like that. Okay. Then after that, just save. Okay guys, let's go back from there. So now, I make this one as a primary. Okay. Let's move to the other option. Already, I put this one. So once the Google AdSense verify, they will send you exact amount. So the amount from Google AdSense, they will send to your bank. Then, if you receive in your bank, you need to verify. So you need to enter that amount. So in order to verify your account. So it means if you enter that exact amount, it means your payout, new payout primary, it will be verified. So next payout, if you have salary in YouTube, you will receive this your salary from your new bank account. So if you want to remove this previous bank account, the Commercial Bank of Dubai, you can remove. So if you want to stay, it's fine. But now my primary bank account payout is the Emirates NBD Bank. Okay guys, let's move to the other option. So I already request and I will wait 3 days banking working days to amount that the Google AdSense will send to my bank account. So we will check to wait the verification amount that from Google AdSense they will send to your bank. Once you receive the verification amount from the Google AdSense, you need to enter that one to verify. So as you can see, I already in the payment method. So I will enter this one to my primary verification pending. So it means I need to enter that amount, the exact amount that you receive from Google AdSense. So I received guys 2 dirham and 38 pills. So we need to exact amount we input from there, so in order to verify. Be careful guys, if you mistaken enter the wrong amount, you will not verified. So guys, I enter already and now I'm already verified. Yeah, I'm already verified guys, as you can see. So now I will check from my bank account. No, I will check from my email. So I need to go to my email guys. Okay, so guys, I received email from the Google AdSense that mentioning that your bank account is verified. So that's it guys. So if you want to change payout method from Google AdSense, so it's very easy. Only you need to do is enter the amount from the Google AdSense. That amount need to enter in the system to verify your bank account. Once the bank account verified already, when you reach $100, they will send your payout to your new primary bank payout method. So I hope you understand my tutorial for today. So for more update, just follow and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you so much and have a nice day.
Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and click the bell button, so that you're updated for my latest videos. Thanks for your support. God bless and have a great day.